guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the introduction. So we're going to be installing the 7x7 closure that I made with one bundle. Here she is here. I call her Ginger because that's what she looks like, you know. We're going to go ahead and place this on your head, position it wherever it needs to be, and go ahead and insert the combs. You guys, the good thing about a 7x7 closure is that you get 7 inches wide of closure space, and then you get 7 inches parting space, you guys. And I'm filming a TikTok at the same time, so that's why I'm looking elsewhere. But it is good for beginners, and you don't have to do much work to it, and it's not a frontal, so you don't have to worry about gluing it down. You don't have to. I'm gonna go in with my infamous Got To Be glue spray. You know, this is here, you know, it works really good. And I'm going to go ahead and spray that across my forehead area, and I'm going to spray this about 2 times just to ensure that I have a good tacky consistency so that I can go ahead and place the closure down onto my forehead. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Now that we have that on, we're gonna go in with our blow dryer. You guys, make sure it's on cool the first time that you blow dry across, because you don't want it to get like really tacky that you can't actually put it down. So make sure it's on cool first, and then you can add a little warm shot. I go between the cool and the hot, so I go ahead and do cool first, and then I go in with a hot, and that basically ensures that it gets really sticky so that you can glue the I'm sorry, not glue it, but you know, adhere the closure to where you sprayed the Got To Be glue spray. Guys, I forgot a disclaimer. My eye is red because my dumb self was trying to put my wing liner on, and I accidentally put the wing liner in my eye, so it got all in my eye. It was burning, so I had to rinse it out with water. But as you can see, it's very irritating, so that's why my eye is red. But I wasn't gonna let that stop me from filming this video, girl, because she still look cute. She's still cute though. She's still cute. After you have her all stuck down, you want to take something that you have and make sure you tie that down, because you want to melt that lace into the scalp. You guys, melt that lace in the scalp. I use a satin scarf, and I also use my edge wrap sometimes, just to keep it, you know, stuck down and not stuck to my cap or whatever. But you're gonna go in with your hot comb, girl. You're gonna make sure you need that hot comb to go ahead and slick that edge down. You know, you don't want no bumps and lumps, so you take that hot comb and just smooth everything down, you guys. I did go ahead and apply my wax stick to it first before I actually put the heat on it, so it is my wax stick on top of it, and then I took my hot comb to just slick everything down, making sure that it's just nice and slick and bouncy and flowy. Alright, on to the part that you've probably been waiting for. Let's remove this lace, honey. We're gonna take some little scissors, and these are basically like lash scissors or eyebrow scissors. You're gonna take those and kind of make a slit in between the lace wherever you want to start to cut, and then you're gonna go in with a this is an eyebrow tool, you guys. But it's good for cutting the lace because it gives a jagged edge, and it makes sure that it doesn't look like a wig at the, you know, scalp. You don't want it to look wiggy, so this is good for taking off the lace and giving it that razor kind of look, you know, at the beginning. Y'all, I had a hard time trying to film this in front of the camera and cut the lace off because the camera was in front of the mirror, you guys. So I'm gonna go off camera and cut these laces off, but you get the point what I'm doing here. So hopefully this makes sense to you guys. Okay, you guys, all the lace is all cut off, so I did go ahead and do that off camera again because I was having a little difficulty trying to film it for you guys to see and look in the mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and doctor this lace up, honey. We're gonna go ahead and get her right on snatched. Okay, we're gonna get her real snatched. So I am going to go in with my foundation, which is going to be my NYX Total Control. I am going to place this on my forehead as well as a little bit on the lace. This just ensures that the lace is completely blended in with your skin. I'm going to take my beauty blender and go ahead and dab that on. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Oh, you guys, I did actually spray Got to Be Glue spray on top of the lace. I did this off camera, but I sprayed it on top of the lace after I applied my foundation and powder to it, and this just basically lets it melt completely into the skin, you guys. It makes it melt so much better when you apply the Got to Be Glue spray on top of the lace on the very edge of it, and you take a rat tail comb and kind of smooth that in, and girl, it's gonna be melted, trust me. So I was trying to decide, you guys, if I wanted to add some baby hairs to this lace look, or did I not want to add baby hairs. As you can see, I'm kind of trying to figure out how it's gonna look, you know, if I really want to add it on there. But then I was like, no, you know what, I want a more natural kind of sophisticated look with this, so I'm not gonna add any baby hairs to this lace. I'm just gonna leave it as is, and yeah, you guys. Guys, now we're gonna fix the edge. I'm gonna take my wax stick and go ahead and apply this to the edge of the lace, just to, you know, push back all of the baby hairs and any of the hairs that's loose. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm going to you know, go over the where I put the wax stick, and this basically just kind of melts it even more into the lace. And I'm going to have to heat her up because she's not hot yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat her up and let you guys keep watching. guys, she is all hot now. We're gonna go ahead and, you know, smooth our edges down. So you guys go ahead and smooth out the lace where you place the wax stick or whatever you use to hold yours down. You guys be careful with this because I burned my forehead, y'all, trying to get this lace like melted in. You won't see because I'm gonna jump back. Like, girl, that hurt. You know, you can't be having no burnt forehead. But I'm just smoothing everything in just to ensure that everything lays really flat. Again, this is a 7x7 closure wig, you guys. If you're interested in hair, you can purchase on my website, www.beautebundlez.com. Information is in the description bar down below. Also, you guys, this is made with one bundle, you guys. I know you're kind of like, girl, how did you do that? But if you didn't see the previous video, go ahead and check her out because that video will show you how I made this wig with one bundle. Okay, you guys, this is the finishing look. I hope that you did enjoy this video of this install, and this hair is just giving me so much life. It's the red for me, honey. It is the red for me. You guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you thumbs this video up. You guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and turn those post notifications on, honey, so you can know when I post another video. But until next time, you guys, stay tuned. I will be posting another video. Your girl will be posting another video. Stay tuned. Wow.